Hi, this is Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Midnight Muses box for January. Wait a minute. Okay. I got it upside down, and that's why. Because one time I completely ripped one, apart because I kept trying to open it the wrong way. And let's not do that today. There's probably going to be some munchin'. My dogs are eating. The dark moon. Let's see. Exciting. Oh, I love it. Lunar calendar for 2020. Pretty. Ooh, black again. I love these. Careful. Oh, damn it. Oh. Stop. Lord. Six of Wands. Lord of Victory. Nice. Card. A Muslim bag. What do we got here? Little oil. Dark moon ritual oil. Yes. Almost like citrusy. We got a dark moon candle. Okay. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. So it's got a little nest here. A little, dragon cup thing. Pretty cute. Cute. Oh, pretty. So pretty. Wow, and I don't recognize it, but I'm sure it'll tell me. Yay, my little vials, so cute. But I'm amassing quite a collection of these. Let's see, we have the dark moon herbs. Very cute. Casting salts. Sage. That filled ya. Incense. Something is. Oh, beautiful. It's a lid. Okay, we've got some, I think it's yogi tea, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, and black pepper. Cute. And then, ooh, may the blessings of the moon and the stars light your path. Very nice. Okay, let's check this out. The moon is of key importance in creating magic. The phases of the moon and her cycle impact the potency of the spells, rituals, and their successes. The moon amplifies spell works and works in harmony with the energies exerted by the practitioner. This special collection is curated to use during the upcoming dark moon when the last quarter of the moon has disappeared. This month we honor the wisdom of the shadows before we celebrate the returning light, and a new year. The dark moon is the 3 days when the sky is dark and you cannot see the moon at all, hence the term dark. Modern astronomers and astrologers call this darkness the new moon because the cycle of the moon is about to restart. Witches are not the only ones who follow this dark moon terminology. Several ancient cultures define the period as the end of the month, and the very first crescent moon, the witch's new moon, as the beginnings of the month. The dark moon is a time of stillness, contemplation, and banishment. It is a time to remove sorrow and past hurt. It is also an ideal time for divination work. The dark moon reminds us to check in with ourselves and to let go of what is no longer in alignment with our path, our purpose, and our dreams. It tells us that in order for us to bring all that we want into being, we need to clear away what is no longer serving us. 2020 brings an exciting shift in the universe. We are coming to the end of several long cycles and the dawning of a brand new chapter for humanity. A lineup of planets in Capricorn means we'll be restructuring our world and our lives. 2020 brings the potential to increase personal power, bring dreams into reality, and the opportunity to create the life we want to live while creating a more sustainable world, spreading unity, and elevating the collective human consciousness. So there's amber incense sticks. It's made of fossilized tree resin. Ooh. It's for protection and to boost spell work. Casting salts, which is sea salt, lavender, rosemary, and lavender oil. Sage, dark moon ritual oil, rosewood draws off the element of fire, excellent for divination and scrying, boosts intuition. Sweet orange to enhance focus, angelica for protection and banishing, and black pepper is a dark moon herb. The beeswax candle, black wax to banish negativity. Ooh, and that reveals light wax, yellow wax representing the return of the light. Cool. Dark moon herbs. So, angelica, star anise, mugwort, yarrow, thyme, and marigold. The yogi tea, the moon and stars coin, the Norse dragon box, can be used for charging, the black moonstone. Oh, that black moonstone's beautiful. So pretty. The art, the tarot card from the Hermetic Tarot, and that's pretty freaking cool. Very cool box. I love the dark moon. Awesome. Everything's very cool, very nice. A lot of wonderful things that I'm definitely into, and a couple things that I don't have one of these. I don't have very many of these, but it's really nice when I get a crystal I don't have any of. And I can kind of see now that it's dark wax and then light wax in the middle, so that's really cool. I love amber incense sticks. It's one of my favorite. This is a pretty nice little sturdy box. I love the vials. This is a winner. I love these coins. Everything's very cool. Like it a lot. I always like Midnight Muses. They're very, very cool. They play nicely with the Sugar Muses box too. They kind of usually feed off of each other. Pardon me. Stay tuned for some more content. I'm still waiting for, I think, at least a box or two, as well as my 900 subscriber giveaway. And I'm hopeful to do some other content for the rest of the month, so please stay tuned. I love you guys. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.